DUOBO is the world's first simultaneous extraction of 2 coffee capsules machine, allowing convenient blending without complex processes by using 2 capsules for extraction. You can use any brand of original size capsules. With DUOBO's unique layer extraction method, precise temperature and pressure control, you have the power to craft your very own distinctive blended coffee flavors. And guess what? You can do it all from the convenience of your smartphone app. Now let's talk about DUOBO's impressive screen. This large display not only enhances your brewing experience, but also provides entertainment and valuable information while you wait. With DUOBO, you can unleash your creativity and indulge in the world of unique coffee blends. So go ahead and make your own personal coffee with DUOBO's 2-capsule and 2-shot layer blending technique. DUOBO, your gateway to endless coffee possibilities.
My first impression, exciting. There's definitely not another coffee machine on the market that looks like this one. But what's even cooler about it is that it gives you the ability to customize your drinking experience while still using coffee capsules. So normally, when you're buying coffee at a store, you might not be able to find a coffee that's exactly everything that you hoped for. But by blending 2 coffees together, you're able to take some of your favorite parts or flavors of one coffee and other favorite characteristics of another coffee and bring them together to find something that's balanced. So it doesn't take a home barista to be able to make coffee that tastes good.
Someone who loves to have the most control over my coffee in the morning, I feel that the DUOBO will offer me that. I'm able to blend 2 different capsules with 2 different profiles.
When it comes to the DUOBO, I'm very excited because it takes the process of making home coffee fun. It uses a 2-layered shot blending technique so you don't have to be a coffee professional like myself to know how to make coffee like one.
Sugar, beautiful. Thank you very much. I like it a lot.
Good, very good. A lot of really good flavor.
Wow, looks like really high-tech, futuristic.
Can you buy this? Really good.
Very good for double shot. It's good. Really innovative, creative idea. Great to mix different flavors. Easy to use. Would recommend.